In this tutorial, you will learn about how to configure store timing settings. Start on the merchant dashboard and click on Settings, and then click Store Timing. Store timing allows you to manage your store timing for each day of the week. You can mark your store as open or closed by enabling or disabling the button for each day. Next, you get an option to add shifts. This is really helpful for many businesses as they operate at different times in a day. Let's understand this feature with an example. Suppose you operate in 2 shifts every Monday. First shift starts from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and then your store gets closed for 2 hours. To add a second shift, click Add Shift, and then mention the timing. Let's mention the second shift time from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Similarly, you can add multiple shifts as per your need, and can remove them by clicking on the red button. Your store will appear closed to customers who come between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., and from 8 p.m. until the time it reopens the next day. Likewise, you can manage store timing for each day of the week as per your requirements. Lastly, click Save. Now your store timings are saved as you decided. Now you know how to configure store timing settings with all essential details. Thank you for watching.